Myntri khna ka sarkar kami ubade pe yakatran information and broadcasting barka fisheries u Dr. L Murugan ulawani u kjar haka Jylla megalaya haka artarik ujalliu aharja arpoar hakani ka Wan Jngoh ni Myntri khna jo ka sarkar kami ulai kran barki nongri Dohkha bar kumjuru barki tu ki bayo mentoy na ki scheme repair jong ka sarkar uni Myntri ulale yo kjar ru haka we ka jakari Dohkha ka badan haka shnong edri boy district barula penshlo ki weru ban shimi ka kamri Dohkha kabalong ka lat ai kam ai jam yaki barkum juru yaki weide hakne ka Wan Jngoh Myntri ulakren halor ki scheme repair ki bede ber ka kamri Dohkha ya ka bala beiting ka da ka sarkar kme
Prime Minister schemes implemented all over the country. So now all the schemes, it is in, whether it is in Prime Minister Awas Yojana, it is in Swachh Bharat Yojana, Ayushman Bharat, Prime Minister Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana. Our Prime Minister's vision, our Prime Minister's mantra is Seva, and Seva ke saath transformation and Garib welfare for the poor. That is our motto. इसके साथ our government is moving. You see in our fishery sector, you can take it before 2014 or after 2014. Before 2014, after independent, to the 1947, you take 1947 say 2014 तक केवल it is a meager investment, just 3 crores, 3,000 crores only. But after Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji took charge as a Prime Minister, 2015 Prime Minister brings one major scheme. It's a Blue Revolution scheme. It's in about 5,000 crore investment in the fishery sector first time. It's focused fishery development and fishery infrastructure, and for that Blue Revolution scheme we brought our government. After that, Fisheries Infrastructure Development Fund introduced by our Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji. This investment around 7,500 crore within the 2-3 years case. You see, Corona samay Atmanirbhar package our Prime Minister introduced. In this Atmanirbhar package, fishery sector got 20,000 crore, first ever investment in the sector, 20,000 crore investment in the sector. So within 8 years, almost 32,500 crore investment in this field. Not only we are investing and we are promoting export, we are promoting the infrastructure development, fishing harbors development, landing centers development, seaweed cultivation, and cage technology. We are introducing technology in the fishing sector, even like this Himalaya areas, that hills areas, freshwater, aqua freshwater, cage culture, and seed catcheries, feed mills, or processing units. Our PMMSY, Prime Minister Matsya Sampada Yojana schemes is supporting, and also this animal husbandry field, we are modified the schemes. That is Rashtriya Gogol Mission we are brought, NLM figure, animal husband figure, cow and goat, poultry. So this also is a model entrepreneur scheme. We are made it is an entrepreneur scheme. Our Prime Minister's vision is always we are encouraging the startup companies. So in this sector, we are encouraging the startup companies and individuals. Our youths they are not job seekers, they are job givers. That's where our department is promoting entrepreneurs in the feed mill or cow feeds. This type of schemes we are bringing. In these 8 years, in this sector, got first time as a ministry also, Fisheries Animal Husbandry, new ministry also. So I thank Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji to brought This 8 year, within the 8 year, there is a huge investment, and our export target also in 2024, our marine product export, we fixed as a target 1 lakh crore turnover. Even the pandemic period, our export is grown. Already our target is we achieved 59,000 crore in this year itself. So 2024 and 25, definitely we will achieve in the fishing sector 1 lakh crore. That I can see in the ground today itself. I visited 2-3 farmers, fish farmers field, and also I visited the fishing training center here. The youngsters, Mahila of this Meghalaya, they are voluntarily come forward, and they are themselves involved, and they are participated in the schemes.